guys, welcome back to Tech with TJ. As you can see today, I'm going to be talking about my desk setup. So the first thing I want to talk about is the chair. Now the chair's from Amazon. It's a ergonomic office chair is what it's kind of called. Has the mesh, has a headrest. It also has a footrest too. It leans, has the tilt or whatever they call it. The brand is called Marrap, I think is how you pronounce it. I'll show it on the screen though, just in case. The desk is from IKEA. I'm lucky enough to have an IKEA pretty close to me, so if you don't have that, I'd feel sorry for you. But I have the cheap, it's a Linman table, I believe is what they call it. It's 55 inches, and it's 24 inches depth. It's just enough space for me. I don't need a very big desk or anything. The keyboard that I have is the GMMK Pro 3 from Glorious. I also have their switches, the Lynx ones, and I have their keycaps too. I think that it's pretty pricey, but honestly it's worth it. I found mine actually used from Best Buy. I think I got it for about $150 maybe. Somewhere in there. Anyways, it was very reasonable, so that's the only reason I got it. I also have this HyperX wrist pad that I got from Amazon. It's, I think, in between 10 to 20 bucks. If you need one, I highly recommend it. It's very, very good. Now getting to my mice. I have three. So I have the Logitech, the MX Master 3, not the 3S, so it has like the louder clicks, and that's I think that's the only change really that they did. So it works for me. I have seen that there's more options out now that are just like it and a lot cheaper. So it's a good mouse, but I would definitely recommend going with the other ones, to be honest with you. It's not worth the 150 bucks or whatever they charge for it. Then next I have the Logitech Superlight, which I use for gaming. It's, in the name, it's very light. You guys have definitely probably seen a review about it or heard about it. It's a really solid gaming mouse. I do recommend that one. I didn't really realize it till now, but I actually have a lot of Logitech stuff, so I swear I'm not a Logitech fanboy. I just happen to get a ton of their products. My third mouse that I use is the Bambu Lab 3D printed mouse. So I actually 3D printed this. It's a kit on Amazon that you can buy for like 13 bucks, I believe. And it comes with kind of just all the pieces that you need. Then if you have a 3D printer, you can print the parts, kind of design, with the colors, or especially there's a ton of free designs out there, so you can get it print it however you want it. And so that's really neat. I wanted to include it because I think it's cool. Next, I want to talk about the Stream Deck. I have the smaller one, or I guess the medium-sized one. It's the 15 key. I know they have a super small one, which I really don't recommend. I think it's a little too small. I recommend the 15 key one. It's, I think, the good size. You can do a ton of stuff with it. I actually don't stream at all. I like it because it has a ton of shortcuts built in that you can use to do Office like 360 stuff or anything in any app. Pretty much it has certain shortcuts and things like that. Or you can just press a button and go to a website. Like I have one for YouTube. You can also do, I have a bunch of like clocks to just show me like the time. Then I have weather. Then I have like my CPU usage, GPU usage. There's one that if you press it, it'll give you your network speed and things like that. So it is very neat. I do recommend it. Now I'm just going to talk about my webcam that I use, like for filming this. I use the Logitech C920. So kind of like I said about Logitech, I happen to just get their stuff. I swear I'm not a fanboy. So for my audio, I have the Fifine Tank3. It's an XLR microphone. I think it sounds really good. I'll let, of course, you guys be the judge of that. You guys tell me in the comments if you like it or not. It's plugged into also they have a audio interface. It's called the Fifine SC3. I highly recommend this. I plan on actually doing a review on it maybe. Comment if you'd like to see that, of course, because I do want to make sure you guys are interested. But I think it's very good. I think in total for both of them, it's like $130. I believe the microphone's 80 and the interface is 50. But I've seen it on sale though for 40. So I would definitely wait till they do sales or whatever to get it. For headphones, I use the Philips Fidelio X2 HR. It kind of a weird name, but they're really, really good. I've had them since I've gotten my PC. They work well for gaming, listening to music. They're very comfortable. I can wear them, all day and be totally fine. I think they're $130. I'm not too for sure though. Like I said, I'll have like the prices and things like that in the description or on the video. So my monitors. My main monitor, I have the G70B by Samsung. It's a 4K 144 hertz monitor. That's kind of my main one. So then I have another monitor off to the side. It's the Samsung Odyssey G40B. It's only 1080 at 240 hertz. So I use, of course, the 4K one as my main monitor where I play games, wherever I do my main task. And then off to the side is where I have, like Discord or whatever I just need a reference. Now to my PC setup. I'm very proud about this. I built it myself, so I have the Leon Lee O11 Dynamic XL. It's the ROG version. Then for my CPU, I have the AMD Ryzen 9 5900X. My GPU is the RTX 4070 Super. I have 64 gigabytes of RAM. I have a 512 hard drive, and then I have a terabyte SSD and a 2 terabyte SSD. The terabyte is for my operating system and just like probably games and files, whatever else I need to store on that one. Then the 2 terabyte I try to keep strictly 2 games, and the 512 it was just a spare that I put in because I was like I could always use more storage just in case. For cooling, I have Thermalrights. They're water cooled with a screen. It's pretty cool. I really like it. I also have 10 RGB fans. I know it's completely overkill and really not necessary, but definitely looks cool. For cable management, as you can see, I don't have any. I change out so much stuff and switch things around, and also I really don't care. As long as the cables are out of my way of my feet or anything, I'm good. I know a lot of YouTube videos, they have theirs, setups is all perfect and you can't see a single cable or anything like that, but I don't got time to do all that. So anyways, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and also comment down below to maybe say what's your favorite item that I have, or what's an item that you would replace, or if you have any recommendations for me. So thank you so much for watching.